Hi, my little sweetheart. Get cozy and comfortable, and I'll tell you the story of Elia and the Garden of Stars. Once upon a time, in a little village surrounded by mountains, there was a girl named Elia. Elia had a secret. At night, when everyone was asleep, she could see the stars come down from the sky like tiny lanterns. One evening, as she was looking out her window, a bright star came to rest gently in her hands. "Hello, Elia," said the star in a voice as clear as a little bell. Elia's eyes widened. "You can talk?" "Of course," the star giggled. "And I've come to invite you on a journey." The star rose into the air in motion for Elia to follow. In the blink of an eye, Elia found herself in a marvelous garden, glowing with thousands of stars resting on flowers, trees, and even soft grass. "Welcome to the Garden of Stars," said the little light. "Here, every star holds a treasure, a thought or emotion that children on earth have sent to the sky." Elia walked over the golden star. It was shining very brightly. "This one," explained the guiding star, "was born when a child shared their favorite toy with their little sister. Look how it glows." A bit further, another star looked pale, almost faded. "That one," whispered the star, "was born when a child kept the most beautiful thing for themselves, thinking there wouldn't be enough for others. It's still waiting to be fed by sharing." Elia felt her heart beat fast. "So, when we share, we create bright stars in the garden?" "Yes," answered the star. "Every act of generosity lights a new star. And the more stars there are, the brighter the earth shines." Elia walked through the garden for a long time. Each time she came close to a star born from sharing, she felt a warm softness in her heart, like an invincible hug. Before she left, the guiding star said, "Remember, Elia, you have the power to create this garden. When you share, you plant the seed of light." The little girl went back home with shining eyes. The very next day, she started giving a little more: her snack, her colored pencil, her time to help her friends, and every evening when she looked up at the sky, she saw the star garden sparkle a little brighter. One night, she whispered, "I also create light in the world when I share." And the stars, as if answering her, twinkled softly. Here's a little phrase you can repeat before falling asleep. "When I share, I light up stars in the world." There you go. See you soon. Sleep well. Kisses.